Hello, I'm Bryce Holland, and today I want to show you a little bit about my UX UI design workflow. So let's look at some examples. We'll jump over into Figma, and back in 2019 I started working with Launcher, and they had an existing website, but I knew that I was going to be redesigning the app from the ground up. So I came over here into Figma, and this is what I did. I made a basic sitemap that showed the existing pages and the features. In some cases, it's important for me to jump out and make these workflows. So in this case, there were some complicated processes that needed to happen, and so I'd make these workflows that would just show how is the user gonna walk through the website, if they're logged in, if they're not logged in, basically how's that all gonna work. And then I'd go back and rearrange those features into the pages in ways that I thought would make more sense. So kind of deconstruct and then put it back together. Again, just sticking with this text list of a sitemap with features so that we can kind of get a general idea of how the user is going to walk through the site. Not so much what it looks like right now, but just the overall functionality. Then I moved into wireframes. These are wireframes that I made myself. They're kind of big and clunky and also beautiful. But basically they're that way to be super simple so that I don't do anything really fancy with the UI. I'm really just trying to look at basic UI elements and lay out the features on each page and kind of see how they would work together. In this case, I did make some simple components for the wireframes because it was easier just to drop in a button and not think about drawing it out. And then after that, I moved into high fidelity components. So I built these out. These are based off of material design. At the time, we didn't have a full-time developer, and I didn't know who our full-time developer was going to be. I know that some developers are really comfortable with doing front-end work, some are not. And so I decided that material design was great because it basically covered all the bases of what we need to work with, plus whenever we got our developer, if they weren't really comfortable with front-end development stuff, they could easily get a material design library, plug it in, and we wouldn't be in trouble. So I designed out these components, and then I put together the high fidelity versions in mobile view first, and then also in desktop, put those together. So there you have it. That is an overview of my general UI UX workflow in Figma, going from the feature list to wireframes to high fives with fully functional components. Thank you for watching.